Today I'm going to show you how to get access to the battery on this scooter. If you have this similar scooter, look like something like this scooter, I'm going to show you how to get access to the battery. If your battery is, or the scooter is not working, it's not charging, I'm going to show you how to get access to the system. Alright, I'm going to put this down and okay. Alright, first of all, you have to disconnect these wires in the back. This is your charger, connected to your charger. This is the main wire harness. Just disconnect it, pull it out, and you have an access to the battery. And then if you want to make it freewheel, right now it's like a brick. You can't move it. It doesn't move it around unless you disengage this freewheel. Okay, turn one to the left and turn one to the right. Now you can move this scooter around easily, like push it around. Okay, so you must disengage that for you to move it around. Alright, now I'm going to show you how to get access to the battery. Okay, just pull it up. Easy. It's locked. Just pull this lever down. The lever. Push it down, and then pull up the seat. Underneath this here, this latches, so you must pull the front first. It's like Velcros sides. There's Velcros here. Velcros. Attached to the seat. This is the latch I was talking about for the front. Attaches here and attaches to the back. Okay. This is your battery. This is the back battery and the front battery. There's a negative, positive. Red is positive, black is negative, and this is your charger, battery charger. I had a problem with this battery charger. This wire is pulled out from in there. So what I did is I opened this, took it out of here, completely, take it out completely to have an access to that charger. Take it out completely and then look inside if this wire is disconnected. If you don't see a green light, red and light, so that might be the problem. It might be disconnected. So you have to take this apart. This is your battery charger. So yeah, this is how you get an access to your battery. There's a 10mm bolt, I think, here, disconnected both sides. And the same thing in the front. And there's a Velcro that holds the battery. And that's it. So the same way to put it back together. The reverse. Oh, I don't know what this is. It's a circuit breaker to reset the battery, I guess. So press that if it's not working also, just to reset it. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to put it back. This is your wire harness. Reverse way to that. White harness inside there. Back first. Put the wire in there. Push it back. Lined up. And the front. Alright. That's it. Put back the seat. Make sure that it's lined up. Right there. Got your seat back. Show you around. Then you gotta put this harness back. Together. There's only one way for it to get in, so just push it. Attach there. See your charger. Yep. Alright. And just put the wire back there. Works. Yeah. So simple. Alright. Let's go for a ride. Alright. This is so powerful. Some mobility. People can't walk that well. That's how you service it. It's pretty cool. Yeah. Pretty stiff here over here. Everything is like powerful.